Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. It's gonna be my top 15 unboxing for the Face Awards India. I cannot tell you how much stuff Nick sent. It was really surreal. Here's the box. I'm just gonna get straight into it. No lagging behind. So the first thing that they sent is this laptop bag. It's really cute. Look at that cute winky face. And can you see the arm candy? Can you see the effort that I put in? Yeah. So the next thing that I'm pulling out is this really cute lip pouch. It is holographic. We all love holo. Next thing is this foldable bag. Actually, it folds into this really cute holo pouch. Look at that, it has lips all over it. So cute. The next thing is this mirror, which I'm really excited for that actually. The next thing is this ring light, this selfie light that you can snap on your phone. A little snappy action right here. And then here is the main box. Oh my god. Can you see how beautiful the box is? And I could not even lift it out. You guys, I struggled there. Here it is, the grand reveal. Let's do a little fake drum roll. Yeah, just like this. Opening it up. Ta-da! Here is the congrats card, which I'm gonna cherish this forever. No jokes. Let me read it out to you. Welcome to the top 15. Here is a little bit of love from us to help you grab a place in the top 6. We know you're gonna kill it in the Drop Dead Gorgeous Challenge. Submissions 11th May to 5th June. And let's get into the stuff. This is the Micellar water. I also threw all the names on the screen so you can pause and read if you're interested in a product. This is the Nofilter finishing powder. All the shade names are also on the screen. That was the translucent powder. This is the jumbo eyeshadow pencil in strawberry milk. 3 brushes, 1 Kabuki, 1 contour, 1 blending. This is the Total Control Drop Foundation. We have the Noir Kajal pencil, Angel Veil primer, the Strobe of Genius holographic stick, Set It and Don't Fret It finishing powder, this foundation, the mineral stick foundation, Perfect Filter eyeshadow palette. This is in Gloomy Days. This HD foundation, 2 of the Vivid Brights liners. I love these. I have the red one. I love these. The Wicked lashes, 2 ombre blushes. Again, all the names and the shade names are on the screen. You can just pause and read them. This is the A Wavy Glow liquid highlighter. These are the butter glosses, the intense butter glosses. Not really taking all the shade names because it would take ages, literally. This is the ultimate shadow palette in cool neutrals. Can you see how much stuff they sent? Can we just appreciate? I mean, I know NYX is always generous in sending out things, but this is on a whole nother level. This is the custom 9 shadow palette, and they already put 9 shadows in them. Love the colors. Then we have this NYX eyebrow pomade, the NYX Epic Black Mousse Liner, and the Glam Liner Aqua Luxe collection. So many. This is the Full Throttle Shadow Stick. The Photogenic Eyeshadow Base. This is the Vamped Up Lip Top Coat. The retractable, sorry guys, lip liners. The Liquid Suede Cream Lipsticks. These are all the concealers. The Gotcha Covered Concealer Pencils. So many shades. Sorry about that. This is the eyebrow pencil, the 3D brow. Oh, that was an eyebrow marker. This is the Doll Eyes mascara. This is the Sculpt and Highlight Face Duo. Okay, now these are the slide on, glide on, stay on, and definitely a turn on lip and liner pencils. The second color is the lip pencil, and the rest of them are eyeliners. These are all the Cosmic Metals lip cream. The glossy black liners, 2 of them, and 1 matte black liner. These are the ombre lip duos. Beautiful, beautiful shades. This is the Hydra Touch Brightener. Next up we have these 3 Rocker Chic palettes. This is the shade California Dreaming. This is a Tinted Love. And the last one is Heart of Gold. And yeah, we're finally done. That is so much stuff, you guys. I also, yeah, that's me telling you how much it all is. You can see I'm tired. Yeah, deep breaths. So here is a pan of everything that they sent. It is insane. I'm really overwhelmed. I would also like to take this opportunity to thank Nika and Audio Network for sponsoring the Face Awards India, and of course to NYX Cosmetics for giving us this incredible opportunity to showcase our talent and creativity. I would really like to congratulate the top 15 and wish them all the best for the future challenges. If you guys want to see me create more work for you and stay in this competition, please do vote for me when the link is out. I really need all your guys' support more than ever now. I've been saying this and I really mean it. I guess that's it for this video. Thank you so much for tuning in, and until next time.